Hey everybody, Joe here. I want to check out a puzzle today by Malletmaster. It is called 15 Cages and Thermometers. The rules here are gonna be the normal Sudoku rules. That is 1 to 9 in every row, column, and 3x3 box. Digits in a cage may not repeat, and sum to the total given. Digits along a thermometer increase from bulb to tip. So I'm looking here and um, all of these thermometers are in a 15 cage, except for here in the middle. Or I mean they're in cages, but they're not in their own. Um, well, these are 2, 3, or 4. And these two need to be 10. If this was 8, 2, this would be 9. Oh, that would not work. Because, or wait a sec. Why wouldn't it? I was thinking that this would be more than 15, but that is not. That is okay in that case. If this is 8, 2, that is 15. So this one would have to be 9 though. So that would make this. That would be 12 needing. That would need 3 more. Or 4 needing 2 more. So that would not work. So if it was 2, 8, that one would be 9. That would have to be 5. So that 2, 8 does not work. Either way around. 4, 6. That would be 7, 8, 9. This would be 7, 8, 9. That would still be 2 or 3. This would be either. Okay, 7 could not go here because it would need another 7. 8 could not go there because it would need another 6. 9 would need another 5. Again, 7 here would need another 7. 8 would need another 6. 9 would need another 5. So 4, 6 does not work either. Either way around. So this is 3, 7. Well, I'm going to check it one at a time. Eight would need 6. 9 would not work. So it would be 8. In this case, this would be 2 or 4. This would have to be 4, or 9. And, well, that would be 2, 4, or 9. So that, okay, but the other way around, I'm gonna copy these, I think. Okay. So the other way around, if that was 7, 3 in that order, this could not be 4, because it would need to be 10 right here. So if it was 6 here, it would need to be with 8. If it was 8, it would need to be with 6. So that would be 9 because of this 6, 8 pair. And then, so these would be a 2, 4. Both of those work though, don't they? That is 14 and 1. This is 9, 13, 15. This is 15. 1, 7, 9. 2, 4 to 5. 3 to 6, 8. But this way down here also worked. So then what is different? Basically, it is going to look like that. But then with every other one of these 15 cages, since each one of them also has their own thermometer, and the digits can't repeat. Well, I mean, one reason being that they're in a cage and the rules state that it can't repeat, but then also the digits along a thermometer cannot stay the same, even in like this case here. Like it would still have to go up. They couldn't be the same digit. So, which is also in the rules. I'm just stating facts over here. So, but since these are thermometers in their own cage, the starting number needs to be fairly low. As in, if this was a 5, it would go way over 15. So none of them are starting with 5. And if they start with 4, if they start with 4, it has to be 4, 5, 6. But 4 is the highest that any of these will start with. Any of these are going to start with 1 through 4. So maybe can mark a, or well, we can, I guess that depends on 5s though. If I get enough 5s, maybe I can sort out, because of 4 lows and 4 highs belong in a row or column or box. But I don't know if I'll have enough on that yet. But do I have any combo wombos? Well, we also have like a 9 goes in one of those spots. Maybe we can get something going with the 9s. 7, 9, 2, 4. Am I not able to eliminate any 4s out of this? I also don't have any combos, so to speak of. There are 3 of them on this vertical. I guess technically I could, well, so the next digit up, it can go as high as 8. What is the minimum? 5? No. If it was a 3, it could be 4. If it was a... Well... Okay, what is the minimum here? It's not 2, is it? Oh, it is 2. Well, that's no help. So this is basically 2 to 8. That is a lot of digits. It could only be... Oh, no, no. What am I... No, 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 no. No, no, no. It cannot be that way. The lowest digit is not a 2. Because then this would have to be 1. And then this would have to be 12. So 3. It's not 3 either. Because that would have to be at maximum 2. And this would have to be 10. So 4. 4 could work though. So it is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which is a lot of digits, but can this be 5? 5, 4, 3 is 12. 6, so this is 6. And now even though the middle one has quite a few marks, they're all going to be that way. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then all of the end ones. Oh man, this is so many marks though, but I am trying to get a combo and hopefully a row or column. These though are not 9 because we know the 9 is in this 15 cage, and these are not 4, and the bottom one is not 2. And then these is not 6 or 8. That one is not 6 or 8. I think the rest though would probably be okay for now. So, okay, so a 5. 5 is in one of those. One, 2, 3, 4. Do I have a... Might be hard to spot. Four, 5, 7. 2, 3, 4. 5, 7. What about here? This is... Five. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. 6. So many. 5, 6, 7, 8. Is there really not a combo here? Nine could still be... What if a 9 was over here? If a 9 was over here, we would have a 6, 7, 8 combo. That would be a 4 or a 5. These 3... If this is 3, that is 7, that is 8. That would be 6. 3, 6, 7, 8. That is 7. That is 3. That is 9. Four, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not quite. Not quite. If this is 4, that is 2, 3, 9. Seven, 8, 6. Okay, is there some kind of trick with maybe these bulbs? Or 1s or 9s? I see a 1 does not go here. Can a 1 go here? Don't see why not. Or maybe this one. I don't quite have combos going vertically though. If this is 1, oh, can that actually be a 4? Yeah, it could be 2, 4, 9. Or 3, 4, 8, etc. This cannot be 3, 5, or 7. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8. Not quite made a combo here either. Unless this cannot be 5. But it can be, especially if this is 4. Okay. If this was 4, 5, 6, that would be 7. So that would be 2. That would have to be 2. Oh. Oh, okay, hold on. If this is 4, that is 5. That would be 7. Needing 8 more, but this could not be 8. So this cannot be 7. Oh wait, hold on now, hold on. Is that right? Because that's just if the... No, what I meant to say was this cannot be 4. That could probably... Oh no, that can't be 7. None of the middle ones can be 7. If this middle one is ever 7, it's going to be 15. Why did I mark that? The middle ones are 6 at the highest. I think I might have still had them selected. Let's see, these middle ones. Remember to change that one here in a second. These middle ones are not 7 or 8. Set all of them, this one, and this one. Okay. Hopefully, it's probably worth double checking that I got all of those. Okay, so we are going to make combos. At least somewhere. This one cannot be 4. And now these are going to be 7, 9. But we have 4, 5, and 6. So these two are not. Well, now we have 7, 8, 9. This is not 4 either. So this will be a 1 or a 2. This will be a 1 or a 3. Because the 3's here and the 2's here. So we have our 1, 2, 3 combo there. We have a 1, 2, 3 combo there. We have a... Yeah, that's okay. Alright. 6. Okay. Do we have a... Don't quite have a 4, 5, 6 there either. Do we have a 4, 5, 6 at the bottom? We do not. Do we have a 4, 5, 6 anywhere else? I don't have a 4 in this column, right? No. I do have a 1, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's quite a lot. But it is not 1, 2, or 3. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8. But we don't have... This has to be 1, 2. Or, wait a minute. Yeah, there's not enough spots. We only have 2 small digits. Which those can be 1, 2. I think that this one has to be 1 through 4 though, at least, doesn't it? Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is a combo. This can definitely not be 1, 2, or 3, or 4. So we do have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We do have a combo there. So these are not 4. And this is 1, 2, or 3, but not 3 because it's right here. So that is a 1 or 2. It's gonna be tricky, I think. It's gonna be easy to get mixed up here, maybe. So 4, 5. That looks fine. We do have a 1, 2 in this column as well. Is 5 no, 5 can still be at the top. Oh, this cannot be 9 though. I don't have a 6, 7, 8, 9, do I? Not quite. If it wasn't for the 5, I would. If this is 5, that is 5. There's too many choices for something helpful there. If this is 5, that is 5. Oh, one of these has to be 5. So 5 is at the top. But that doesn't quite help. Let's say 5 is there. I don't think that's enough. But it is true. No matter which one of these are 5, it is going to put 5 at the top. So that is okay to know. But then 5 has choices there. And it also can just be in one of these and then be that one. If it was one of these and that one, I still don't think that would be enough to carry on further. Okay. Oh, this one cannot be 4. Because remember, if this is 4, then it has to be 5, 6. In doing that, 4, 5, 6, it will take everything out of here. So that is not 4. I don't think that it will change these though. As, yeah, it could still equal 14 using the 6. Or it could still equal 13 using the 6, 7. And so on. Is there anywhere else that will do that. Four, 5, 6. Oh, this one cannot be 4 now, because there's no 6 to choose from there. So that cannot be 4. The other way to look at it is, if this was 4 and that was 7, this would also have to be 4, which won't work. If this was 4 and that was 8, then that would be 3, which is lower than 4, so obviously it would break the thermometer. So that's a 1, 2, or no, it's not. It's not a 1, 2, 3, but it is closer. Oh, if this is a 4, that will have to be a 5, and then this will have no fill. So that, and now that does have a 1, 2, 3. Will both these still work? If it's a 3, it would need 12. The 7, 5 would be the only option. If it was 2, it would need 13. Could be 5, 8 or 7, 5. Or 7, 6, I mean. If it was 1, it would have to be 6, 8. 3, I said it would have to be okay. I thought for a second there this was 6 no matter what, but it is not. This could be a 3 with 5, 7. Alright, but anyway, I took a 4 out of here. And that gave me this 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do I have a 6, 7, 8, 9 on a row? One of these rows. I'm looking for 4, 5, 6. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Oh, is that okay? I was gonna say, if this, I was thinking this cannot be 1, but it could be, because this can be 9, 5. But if I eliminate 9 or 5, then it cannot be 1, because 8, 6 would have to be here, which would take that away. But for now, that was not as helpful as it looked. Okay. So where's the last 4, 5, 6? And do we have a... There's still not quite a 6, 7, 8, 9 combo. Not quite here either. If I could get that 5 out. I don't think I can yet. There's one more. One, two, three. Can I color? Can I paint by numbers? 1, 2, 3. These two are gonna be there. Maybe? Color 1 here, maybe? Color 1. This will be 2 or 3. This will be 2 or 3. Let me get a little closer. Earthy tones. What? Is that... I need to map those with... different starting points though, I think. Although, because some of these starting points could be 4. So all of a sudden, although this one, well, no, I should say this one. This one is yellow or orange, as is this one. These are yellow or red. I don't know if this is the best starting place for those. If it's here, it's gonna give me those two up here, but then where am I gonna bring this one? It could still be there. It would just be like that. But also, this one is in one of those locations. If it is there, or what if it's there? Then it'll go down there. That would also be okay. One. Okay, look elsewhere. If this is 3, I need 12 more. So this over here could not be 6. If it was 2, I need 13 more. So this can't be a 6 anymore. If it's 2, I need 13 more. Oh, okay. If this is 2, I need 13 more. I can't make it with 7. If it's 3, I need 12. Oh, I can make it with 7. Ah. Neither one of these, though, are going to need... Well, that doesn't matter. It's 7-5 or 8-4. Specifically. As in, it won't be 8-5. Oh no, it could be 8-5. If it was a 2 here. But anyway, all of these are possibilities. And that may work out again somewhere else. If this is 1, these are 8-6, and then 8-6 would go here. That would be 7. That would be 9. So 9 would go there and there. Oh, not. Oh, 9 could go there. Oh. It's like that. Alrighty. This one, if I mark it here, does it help me out anywhere up here? I don't think so. Oh, it would be... No, it would just be one of those. One of these are one. Oh, one of these are one. So that is a combo. So this is not one. So whatever number this is, it needs to add up to 12 or 13. Can I do that with everything? It could be 9, 4 to make 13. 8, 5 to make 13. 8, 4 to make 12. 7, 6. Yeah, so all of those are still valid as well. If this is 1, these are 8, 6. That looks okay as well. These would be 7, 9 though. Right, so that would be 5. That would be 4. I think that would probably be okay. This can still be 5. That can, or 4 rather. This can still be 4. That would be 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Okay. Here's a 7, 8. Don't quite have a... Oh, wait. Okay, this one cannot be 1, 2, or 3. It can be 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's quite a lot. None of these can be 1, 2, or 3. Hmm. 7, 8, 9. I've already accounted for that. What about the... Can I map these around at all? Four, 5, 6. I don't know what that is. Can all three of these be up here? There would be 2, 4, 5, 6s in this one. Maybe I mark these as entropies. To kind of help me out. This is seeming like it might be. Entropies are basically low digit, the 3 low digits, the 3 medium digits, and the 3 high digits. But the thing is, once you find, 3 in any row, column, or box, then that's it. No more. Like, for instance, this box 1 has all of its highs. There will be no more highs. You can also use that by the combos, but just sometimes the colors can help you sort out your rows and columns. So just something to remember as something that may help from time to time. 1, 2, and 3 are all low. But I think eventually it's going to be something like mapping these 2 3s around, or something to that effect. But I don't think I have enough info on those yet. Here's a couple more mediums. And if this was medium, that would be medium too. Both of these would be high. And this has 1 of each in it. So the lows are done, which is known already. This is here, but could be there, could be there. Can this be 6 if this is not 4? No, well, I mean, that's true, but this can be 4. So, but this one cannot. Neither can this one. So now I'll ask in the ones that actually matter. If this is 3, I need 12 more. I'm not going to make it with 6 here at the end. If it's 2, I need 13 more. Not going to make it. So the ones that can't be 4 at the beginning cannot be 6 at the end. Only the ones that can start with 4 can be 6 at the end. Okay. Alright, I think that is good then. So I found another high. I found 2 more highs. Alright, so highs are done in this column. Found another low here as well. Oh, and I found a whole bunch doing that. Still going. So one of these are 5 or 6. That's all good. There are two mediums down here. They cannot both be in this column. If this is 4, that is 5, that is 6. That is okay, maybe. 6 could go with 7, could go with 2. So with these 2s and 3s, I think I already have them all like that. Yeah, I think I'm good on that. If they have a 1, they can definitely still have a 9. Although this one cannot because of this, but if they have a 1, they need 14 more, which is only 9, 5, or 8, 6. Oh yeah, and I have to remember for this one specifically. If I get the 9 out of here or the 5 out of here, then this cannot be 1. Okay. If this is medium... Oh, let me go ahead and mark that one. Okay. This one is this one, which is going to put a low here. That is a 1, 2, or 3. Because we do have the triple here, so we know that this can't be in there. So it has to be there because it sees the other 2. So that gave us that. And now we need one more low somewhere through there. It could go here, could go here, could go in either one of those, no problems. These two are both going to be up here. It's going to put one low down here, one low down there. Ah. Okay. These two. This one is there. So these two are here. It's going to put the last low in this row, right? We'll have 3 blues. Oh, hold on now. Why can't this one be one of those and that one? That can be. Strike that. Don't know if that's true yet. It is a possibility. If it is true that a third one goes over here, and then I know that this cannot be low. I don't know if that will help me any farther than that, but I almost goofed there. Okay. So there's 1 medium and 2 highs right here. And what about this one? This one is going to be this one and this one both are these. So I can say, well, actually, I don't think I'm going to be able to say enough that matters. Only that there is a medium here. It doesn't mean that the third medium, it could still go there or one of those. I think it would help me more. Well, okay. I know that the third low goes over here. So one of these are low. Does that tell me anything about this cage? If this was high, it would be an 8. If this is high, it is an 8. That would be a 7. That would be a 9. Seven would need 8 more. It could still go with 5, 3, or 6, 2. That would be 7. Oh, if this is high, it's an 8, and both of these are 7. This would need 8 more, so it would be 5, 3 here. 5, 3. This would also need 8 more. That one could be 6, 2. So, that's okay. If this was medium, it would be 4 or 6. So I don't think that helps. Alrighty. Okay, so 9 or what am I looking at now? Other than the wrong place. Is there... I need to find where I have another combo, I think. Oh, also, okay, back to this one. If this was high, it was making that one 7. These would be 8 and 9. 8 would need 7 more. That looks easy. Basically with anything. 9 would need 5, 1 or 4, 2. Same here. 8 would need 7. Easy. That would be okay. What about 7 down here? 7 here would have to go with 5, 3. If 7 was right here, that would be 5, 3. Which would make this 4, 2. I don't think 7 can go here. If 7 goes here, needs 8 more, would have to be 5, 3. That would be 4, 2, and it would need a 9. So that is not 7. But that doesn't help me the way I needed it. Will it help the other way around? If this is 7, if this is 7, that is 5, 3 only, which will make this one 4, 2. But that one can be 9. If this was 8, it would need 7 more. It could be 4, 3. This would be 5, 2, needing 8 more. There's already an 8 there. What did I say? If this was 8, it would need 7 more. If it was 5, 2, that would be 4, 3 and need another 8. If it was 4, 3 up here, then that would still be 5, 2 and need another 8. So this cannot be an 8. So this is a 7. This one is an 8. Now we have an 8-9 combo. But this one can still be high. The 7, 9. I could go there. Alright, this puzzle is being quite tricky with its placement. Because it could still go there, unless it was 7. So I still don't know if this, because this could be high. If it is 8, it would make that 7, needing 8 more. Could be 5, 3, could be 6, 2. Although now this one is needing 8 more. Okay, so it has to be 5, 3. Alright, so that will break some. Ooh, is it gonna break? Is it gonna give us a lot? It may. 4 and 2 is 6, needing 9. This will be 8, needing 7. We can't make it with 6. Could make it with the other 2. This was not 1 now. It could still be a 9 up here though. But also 2, 3 is becoming a pair maybe. Oh, and this is now 3 because we got these. So that is there. Can this be a 4? Yes, it can. In fact, well, 4 is in one of these, but that is not a surprise to us since we just got this one. But 2 is in one of these. So 2 is in one of these. That's still okay though. It could be there. 1, 2 is making a combo. 9 is over here. This though is now a 2. And that a 3. 2 needs 13 more. Man, it can be all of them still. Fair enough. Could be 9, 4, 8, 5, 7, 6. 3 does go in one of these spots. If it goes here, if 3 goes here, I need 12 more. Could be 8, 4, could be 7, 5. Alright, both those seem to work. This one is over here. One of these is high, but both of them could be high. Can both of... No. Only one of these are going to be high. Right, one of these have to be high. Which means that one of these have to be high. Which is going to be our 7, 8, 9 combo. So that... Let me make sure about this here. One of these have to be high because we only have 2. The 7 is high. We can't put any more there. We can't have a second one up here because then we would have 4 oranges. We can only have 3. So there is definitely going to be a high in one of these, which is going to be 1, 2, 3, which means that this is not high, which means that it's 5. My real question is, can these tricks could have been seen earlier? Alright, so we got that 5, which gave us this 4. Which I also could have got just from math. Did I forget to do math at one of the... Just noticed I could have just already had that. With 8 plus 3 is 11. But anyway... Alright, so 3 needs 12 more. Could be either, could be 7, 5, could be 8, 4. 6 needs 9 more. Which is not 9. But it could be 7, 2 or 8, 1. And both of those would work for thermometer reasons. 2 needs 13 more. So this can no longer be a 9. So that's 7, 8. 9 is in one of these. Could maybe map some 7, 8. Maybe not yet. This is low though. This is high. This is high. This is medium. So there is a medium. Or well, okay, we know that already though. We know approximately where the last medium is here, and the last high, and last medium, last high down there as well. If this is high, then there will be one more in there. And in there. No. What did I say? Ignore that. I don't know what in the heck I was thinking. Was just J, K. This is 7 more. 4 will not reach that. Could be 5, 2, could be 6, 1 though. So that is okay. The point is, I guess it is not 4. And in this column here, we don't have 4 in the top or the bottom. So we'll put a 4 there, and then a 4 in one of those. Right. So I need one more low, one more medium. Don't see a quick solution to that in column. This one also has... the last low was going to be over here. That's the last one. So one of these will be low. But the other one could still be either. Okay. Don't know if entropy was the right way to go about this, but I do think it has helped me a bit. Maybe not as much as I thought it would. Oh, maybe I should just do some Sudoku? If I can even do any. It'll give me some idea of more digits. 2 will be down there. A 2 will be in one of these. She'll put it in one of these. Three I have marked there. 3, 3. 3 is down there. Okay. 3 can still be in one of those. Does it have to be? This cannot be 4 anymore, because this cannot be 6. Neither can this. These are both low now. This row has all its low, which means that cannot be 2. Now we have a 4-9 combo, meaning that this is 2. Well, we do know that a 2, well, all we really know is that 2 goes in one of those. Ah, a no? Okay, well, can 2 go here then? We need 13. It'd have to be in, yeah, 9-4 or 8-5. It's fine. 3 goes with 12, that can still be either. 2 goes with 13, can still be either. Okay. Three needs 12. It cannot be with a 9. 3, right. So it is 7 and 5. That will give us a bit of help for sure. 6 needs 9 more. Can be either number still. But we did get help down here, which is 7 plus 8. Now we get that 7, 13 plus 2. Now we know this is 1, so this has to be 8. Seven, 9. 7 would be 8 more. Can only make that with the 3. 9 would be 6 more. Can make that with both. Or with 1 or 2. Okay. Probably gotta help somewhere else from that though as well. If this was a 3, we need 12 more. Cannot be with a 9. If it was a 2, need 30. That one could be with a 9. Okay. This is a 9 now though. This is a 7, which gives me the 9. Now, can that still go? It just can't be 3 here. It can be 5-1 or 4-2. Two is only here now. It's low. We have our 3. So our last low is down here. This, oh man, that can still be either. There's gonna be an 8 up here. This is gonna be, okay, that has to be 9. Instead of trying to sort out if it was high or medium, just do Sudoku and see that it has to be 9. Right. This also has to be 9 by Sudoku, which makes that 8, which means we need 7 more, and we can't do that with 6, so it will be 4-3, And now this will be 3. 3 is low. 9. Well, let's do this first. It'll be 2. 2 will need 13 more. We can make that with not 9. So that one will be 13 more. Can make it with 6, 7. So we must. That will needed 13 more as well. So now we get 6, 8 over here. 4 and 2. 9. 4. Oh, we're getting a lot now. 3. 5. That's 13. Plus 2. Oh my, so much coloring to do. Those are low. These are medium. These are high. Alright. This last one is a low 1. As will be this one. Be somewhere in there. Somewhere in there. It only has 1 digit left. What is it? It's gonna be medium 6. There's a 5 right there by Sudoku. Saw the 5 up here. So there's gonna be a 5 over here. This will be a 1. That'll be a 1. This will be the last high, which is 8. It's going to be a 7 down here with a 5. Both of these are only 1 digit left. That one is a 6, and this one is a it's high 7. Alright, that will be a 9. That will be a medium 6. That'll be a 6, which will make that one a 6. This one is a 7. All that's left in the column. And we'll have a 1 and a 5 over here. So that one is 1. That one is 5. And then that one will be 5. That one will be 7. Right, so that was a nice puzzle. It was very complex, figuring out what each spot could be, but then also sorting out. I don't know if using entropy was quite the correct way to go, but it seemed to help me a little bit. So, very nice puzzle by Malletmaster, 15 cages and thermometers. Check it out in the link below, and like and subscribe if you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.